Kuchipudi is one of the most popular and well-established classical dance forms of India, dating back to 2000 BC. It is a classical Indian dance form that originated in the state of Andhra Pradesh in India. It is named after the village of Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, where it was first performed. This dance form is characterized by its intricate footwork, graceful movements, and subtle facial expressions. It incorporates both pure dance or nritta and expressive dance, nritya elements, as well as storytelling through dance. Kuchipudi performances typically begin with an invocation to the gods, followed by a series of pure dance sequences, expressive dance sequences, and storytelling through dance. The themes of the performances often draw from Hindu stories, with the dancers portraying various gods, goddesses, and other characters. Kuchipudi is a dance form rooted in rhythm, expression, and storytelling. It relies heavily on tala and layam, precise timing and rhythm, requiring dancers to align their movements with musical beats. The expressive aspect, or abhinaya, allows dancers to convey emotions and narrate stories through gestures and facial expressions. The emotional essence of the performance, known as rasa, must be clearly evoked by the dancer, blending the graceful lasya and vigorous tandava elements. Over time, Kuchipudi evolved into a more refined and sophisticated art form, with the development of a distinct style and technique. Today, it is recognized as one of the 8 classical dance forms of India and is performed both within India and internationally. Sharanya will now present a traditional Kuchipudi song called Manduka Shabdam, a raga malika composed by Milattur Bharata Kashinatha Kavi, set to Mishra Chapatalam. It's choreographed by Padma Bhushan Dr. Sri Vempati Chinna Satyam Garu. Experience the unique storytelling of Manduka Shabdam, a dance piece that narrates the legendary tale of Gajendra Moksha, this time from an unexpected perspective, that of the frog. It is a piece that combines rhythmic footwork and expressive storytelling to depict the movements and actions of a frog, often jumping from lotus to lotus. This dance involves graceful movements and expressive gestures, often depicting the frog's jumps and interactions with its environment. Gajendra Moksham, a story from the Bhagavata Purana, holds significant importance in Hinduism, particularly for its powerful message of surrender, faith, and the grace of Lord Vishnu. It illustrates how even the most powerful beings can be humbled by life's challenges and how true liberation comes from seeking refuge in the divine. In this story, Gajendra, the elephant king, was caught in the jaws of a crocodile who was unable to free himself despite his mighty power. Finally, he calls for and surrenders to Lord Vishnu, who releases him from the crocodile's clutches and saves him. I now request Sarayu to come onto the stage and demonstrate the essence of Manduka Shabdam.
In the meantime, when we get Sarayu, I just wanted to make a note here that the Narayanate Namo Namo is choreographed by our guru who's sitting right here. Sri Pasumarthi Garu. So I just wanted to mention the choreographies since he's here with us. So we'll move on with the item, even though Sarayu is not there. She can demonstrate, you will understand it, but we can demonstrate after also, just quickly, what everybody has understood in the episode. Thank you.
Sorry.
तदणं दिमताहत जम तर तदणं दिमताहत जम तर जम द जगदर जगद पुगुलदर जम द जगदर जगद पुगुलदर पुगुलदर गुलदर तड उगणन कथा तेरा तता पुगुलदर गुलदर तड उगणन कथा तेरा तता तन्ननौ दनता जगदर तन्ननौ दनता जगदर पुन्नमल्लेलो पोगड पूवुलु पुन्नमल्लेलो पोगड पूवुलु पुन्नमल्लेलो पोगड पूवुलु पुन्नमल्लेलो पोगड पूवुलु सन्नजाजुल सौबदे पुन्नमल्लेलो पोगड చూడక పూలవా తణజాల కలిగిన వనములో పలదనకు 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 చూడక పూలవాసన తాల 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 కలిగిన వనములో పలదనకు చూడక తాకు తగణకు జగ తటాకమున మండూక శబ్దమో తటాకమున మండూక శబ్దమో నగన నగ 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 డగ డగ పుడ గడ గడ గ పుడ గడ గ డగ పుడ గడ గడ గ జగన జగ జగ జగన జగ జగ జగన జగ 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 నగ 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 డగ డగ పుడ గడ గడ గ జగ జగన జగ 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 తగణ గౌ తగడ గౌ తగడ గౌ తగ దగ 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 నగ 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 డగ 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 జగ 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 నగం నగం జగం నగ న నగ 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 న నగ 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 న నగ నగ బాగుకా నగ న నగ 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 న నగ 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 బాగుకా ఎంతో బాగుగా ఇలాకుగన మండూగమును గోషంబకా ఇలాకుగన మండూగములు గోషంబకా
తై తరికిట తాహం దిత్త జయ జయ జం తరి త్రివిడ దిత్త దిత్తరికిట త్రివిడ త్రివిడ దిత్త తత్త తడికు డిడికు దత్త తడికు డిడికు దత్త తాంగ్ తరగదీం తరగదీం తరగదీం
కర్ర కర్రట కర్రట కుకు కాకుదే కుకుదే కుదే కుకు 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 ఉగ్రశాపముతో గజేంద్రుడు బతుడై పగరి జయదను పగరి జేదను ఉగ్రశాపముతో గజేంద్రుడు భక్తుడై 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 పగరి జేదను నంగిడదగ నంగిడదగ జాతమే సిన జేదిక ప్రముచేదమ కరిన సంహరచిన మహిమహో చేదమ కరిన సంహరచిన మహిమనో దీను తాకిట తకుందరిత కిట దీను తాకిట కుకుందరిత కిట జానకి కళ్యాణ భుజ బల భీమ గణమభిరామ శ్రీ రఘురామ జయ రఘురామ పరకోదండ రామ నమో జానకి కళ్యాణ భుజ బల భీమ గణమభిరామ శ్రీ రఘురామ జయ రఘురామ పరకోదండ రామ నమో జానకి కళ్యాణ భుజ బల భీమ గణమభిరామ శ్రీ రఘురామ జయ రఘురామ పరకోదండ రామ నమో జయ నమో జయ జయ నమో జయ నమో జయ జయ
తక్కిడతక తక తరికిడతక జే కిడతక జే జే కిడతక దక్కిడతక తక తరికిడతక తాం తక్కు దింద తాం ధిత్తాం తక్కు దింద తాం దక్కిడతక తక తరికిడతక తాం తాం తక్కు దింద తాం ధిత్తాం తక్కు దింద తాం తాకిడతక తక తరికిడతక తాం తాం తక్కు దింద తాం దక్కిడతక తక తరికిడతక తాం తాం తకు దింద తాం దాకిడతక తక తరికిడతక తాం దక్కిడతక తక తరికిడతక జే కిడతక జే జే కిడతక దక్కిడతక ఝం తక దక్కిడతక ఝం తక దిగు దక్కిడతక ఝం దక్కిడతక ఝం తక దక్కిడతక ఝం తక దిగు దక్కిడతక ఝం దక్కిడతక తక తరికిడతక జే కిడతక జే జే కిడతక దక్కిడతక ఝం తక్కిడతక ఝం తక్కిడతక ఝం దిం తక్ జణు తక్ జణు రాం తక్ జణు తక్ జణు దిం కరెక్త జణు దత్త జణు రాం తదత జణు దత్త జణు తదిం దిం తజణు దిం తజణు తదత జణు దత్త జణు తదత జణు దత్త జణు కరగదు దత్త జణు దత్త జణు తదిం దిం తజణు దిమిత జణు రాం తదత జణు దత్త జణు దత్త దత్త జణు దత్త జణు రాం తిరు లాంగి తిరగదు లాంగి తిరగదు లాంగి తిరగదు జం I'm sure everyone in the audience understood the episode. Now we'll have a small quiz on the episode. No, I'm just teasing. So Sarayu is here. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now Balagaru, we can demonstrate the episode with Sarayu.
Manduka in Sanskrit means a frog. This story has been told from the point of view of a frog who is living in the pond surrounded by big trees. Birds are singing on the branches, antelopes are jumping, and peacocks are dancing. A frog which is sitting in the pond is croaking loudly and telling us a story. There once lived a king who renounced his kingdom. He found happiness in neither power nor in money and decided to leave his kingdom. He removed his crown and jewels, put on simple clothes, and went to the forest to meditate in search of truth. He started to meditate, seeking happiness and spiritual knowledge. Sage Agastya, who was passing by, felt that he must not be ignored and addressed the meditating king. But the king was so immersed in meditation that he didn't notice the sage. Agastya called the king one more time, but the king did not pay any attention. The sage got angry and cursed the king to turn into an elephant and said that he will remain an elephant until Lord Vishnu himself comes down from Vaikuntha and saves him. The king remained in the form of an elephant known as Gajendra for many years. Every day he would bring a lotus flower for Lord Vishnu and show his devotion by offering it to his feet. One day, Gajendra was attacked by a huge crocodile. They fought for a long time, and when Gajendra had no more strength to fight, he prayed to Lord Vishnu. At that time, Lord Vishnu was playing a game of dice with his wife, Goddess Lakshmi, in Vaikuntha. When he suddenly heard the call of his devotee, he immediately climbed into his vehicle, Garuda, and flew to the scene to save Gajendra. He released his chakra and chopped the crocodile to pieces. Gajendra got salvation and merged with the Lord. Gajendra Moksha is a timeless tale that emphasizes the importance of devotion, surrender, and the ultimate liberation that comes from seeking refuge in the divine and through the grace of Lord Vishnu. Thank you, Sarayu.